Good morning. Here's another day, a beautiful day here at Hellshire Beach, Jamaica. The boat already have came in. It's time to clean the fish. Let's see what we got today. Catch of the day is a silverjack. Morning, Saka. Morning, money man. Morning, everybody. Yeah, man, just catching, recording the big fish, you know?
Yeah, no, because you know which part in there.
Nice.
You know who I told me. Anytime I come here, you ain't man come today, yeah? Remember that. Alright, Prince.
Prince and him, Saka?
Eh?
Prince and him?
No, man, I made just.
Oh. Come to bus here, dog.
Yeah, over just the whole time.
I never come. So, I just your family then?
You got a Burton, you got a Burton last night.
Yeah, man.
How can I wait on?
Then it's 9 days.
I'm going to wait on this, the other one was at the stand there. What is?
That's lionfish. That's jack.
Yeah.
I want you.
Parrot.
I'm a scat side.
All parrots over there.
Right down in
What do you got, Shaka? You got parrot also? What kind of fish you got?
Alright, yeah. Alright.
You're fucking
Is
friend.
the fish hot here?
Your feelings, I want to get feelings for the work, God.
Yeah, friend. One cover squeeze to them. Dinner one.
Oh, eh.
Your name?
Blood clot, you know
Man, things are in the number, not the problem. Man, things are in the
You're in the water.
What's it up? The man, there's a number. Fucking hell, the man that is easy.
Yeah,
Come to me soft.
Sapal.
Listen, it's about 10 now.
Chicken
And
curry.
the fucking beef just come
Good
in
morning.
What's that about?
Good
It's a
morning.
long ass thing. We can't believe.
How much
is first?
you do your fish, man? How much you do your fish, man?
See me when we done.
How much you do your fish, Paki?
You
You know what I say, screw fish, Paki, how much you do your fish? Like a fried fish.
How much do you fish?
Same always give me something like my punk and you know you want them pocket you mean it now man yo fuck it I'm not the man give me 5 days no pocket I'm gonna man give me 5 days brother start myself mean it me know me you know me know next man the money I'm next one the more fish
Collect your pay. You pay your collect man. You're not business with it.
but I know 5 days if okay less than 5
And
days
that's in attack.
Yeah, that's the one I was talking about.
Yeah, man. When you catch one bigger and after you about 9 pounds.
It's probably about 4 pounds, right?
This?
Yeah.
4 pounds? No, man. That's probably about 6 pounds.
Alright. About 6 pounds.
Come to do just that.
So does this parrot, some looks blue and some looks red. They all taste the same? See, look at this one. Looks like, look at this fish. Looks like it should be in the aquarium. Oh, look at the beauty on this.
Pink and blue, that here. Pink and blue.
Yeah, pink and blue. And do they taste different?
It's a royal fish, that.
I read it.
Royal.
Oh, look at this.
Like mix up. A fish a mix up.
Beautiful. Man, if I had an aquarium, I would put this in there. Aquarium and stuff. Eating them. This fish looks way too nice.
The one aquarium that are going on right now. And it's the stomach.
It's a stomach aquarium.
Yeah.
I heard about this fish. Can I touch one?
Yeah, man.
This is the doctor fish.
Doctor, that's a lion.
Lion.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Lion.
Lionfish.
Doctor.
Which one is the doctor fish? Oh, that's the doctor fish.
That's it, right.
I'm wrong. I heard this is a delicacy.
Yeah.
This is expensive fish. This is the doctor fish.
But we don't have nothing at delicacy. We just fuck up everything.
Hello. Yeah, no. I never hear about it.
All right. Thank you. That's it for the day.